Dito kami sa may mga isda. Tanghali na kami naka pamalengke. Yan siya.
Baya po mo kayo. Kasi naman bagay ni Piaw.
Ayun ate.
Ako masarap para ba? Para tinda ni Kikang sa...
Ano nga to? Ito yung paborito ko ate.
120 ba?
Ano nga tawag nito?
Sa...
Ang tawag ng saha. Ang saha niyan, pag sobrang anghang, tsaka ang dami na mamaya papakulit yung pagluto ng taba. Ano dito kung may karne? So, bili na kami ng mga sangka para sa mga lulutuin namin. Lulutuin ni Mama. Tapos gata, di ba, Ma? Tapos ako, tapos kayo, tapos na kita. Baba na kita. Hanap kami ng nyog. Dito. Hindi kami ng gata. Ayan. Saan, Ma? Hindi na. Kunin na namin yung iniwan naming bigas. Tapos yung kuya. Babe, can you please?
I'm on holiday, but I just took all the washing off the lawn.
Whatever. Ah! 10 kilo lang naman. Kayang-kaya. Ito ang ulam namin ngayon. Pusido. Tapos yan yung paborito ko. Ano nga ito, tita? Ano nga ini pa? Ano po kayo ni Ma? Sahang. Sahang na may gata na sobrang angang. Tapos prito. Tara, kain tayo. Hi na sa mga bata pa.
I just ate that late.
Go pa, Jack!
I thought the first one fell.
You're waiting for what? Pa, Jack?
Yeah, but one just straight faster.
Well, you have to do pa. That one, ah. Not that one. No, not that one.
The budget.
Pa, Jack.
Here comes one.
Where? Okay, go to daddy, kuya.
I'm gonna go with her.
Kailangan namin 2 padya kasi hindi kasya. Dito ka na. Dito. You wanna sit there? Okay.
Wait a Beijing now. Ha 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 ha. Me Beijing. Oh no, big dad Beijing now. Now. How about?
Follow daddy, son. Two ba? Or three? Three. Naan sa apple nindon na. Naan sa apple nindon sesto. May malaki kayo yung big size. Bigger daw, no? Wala. First ako. Ay, saka.
I'm gonna go with dad.
Napasad ka, kuya? Are you tired?
I am pizza hop.
Yeah, that's all. Nagbayan na yung tomorrow we're going swimming. Stay here. Stay here.
Oh, I don't go by myself. No. What do you mean? What are you doing?
Naghanap siya ng cocktail.
Hi, Dad.
Under to, mababa. Under to.
I still don't more.
Hinihintay namin yung boy na magpa-box ng groceries namin. Nandun pa. Ayun na yung box. Wala pa yung lalagay.
On the bed. Okay, everyone can fit in that bike.
Pajak.
Okay.
We're not gonna fit in one pajak. Are we taking tricycle or pajak?
A bike.
Tricycle.
Yeah, bicycle.
Tricycle.
I like bike.
Kunin na lang namin tricycle sa isahan nila. Kasi pag pajak dalawa.
No, it's only 2 seconds. I don't want that. Maybe you're free.
Si Kuya, babox niya na. Go inside, Kuya. Inside. Marami lang naman. Yaw pa ng groceries. Hindi na po. Hindi na po yan.
Oh my God!
Yan pa. Okay, sige Kuya. Salamat po.
Lloyd. Let's go. Don't stand in it. Wash the clothes.
Washing the clothes. Okay. Salamat Kuya. Salamat. TJ, please kain. Can you move your plate, please? Holly, here, Holly. Papa. dito. Come on.
Uy. 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 Uy.
Nagkusido si mama tapos prito. Tapos yun o. Binalot na isda. Patingin niya yan na. Paakin niya yan na fish.
What's that?
Fish.
Mm.
Nakabalot sa dahon. Ayan.
Yeah. What? What is that? Ganyan.
Yeah, masarap.
What is that? Is that to yolk?
It's
Mommy,
galungo. It's
may
like
crab.
this.
May crab si Lolo, may crab.
Crab?
Yun. Kita ko sa crab sa da.
DJ, come on. No, don't say lobo. That's silly.
Yeah, but no, it's funny. No, no.
That's silly. Exactly. Yeah, your fish. Oh, mommy will. No. Mommy lang.
What
Galunggo.
is it?
Here, Holly. Holly. Here, Baba. Papa. Very good.
Mom, can I play this Holly?
Come on, Holly. Magsiswimming tayo bukas sa dagat. Right, Holly?
Hindi takot na ako sa dagat.
Oo, hindi na ikaw takot sa
Yeah.
dagat.
Tapos ko yung at
Yung dagat. Hindi ka natakot sa dagat. Thank you, Kuya. Wanna drink, Holly? Mama? It's good. It's good. Are you done, Sa?
Yeah.
How about you, son? Are you done?
My arm!
Tapos na si
I'm finished.
Are you finished? Good boy.
I'm finished.
No, you're not. Eat more.
Hey, Boo-boo. Boo-boo.
Nakapulot si Holly ng rice. Come on, Holly. Oh, Papa. Holly. Holly. Holly, Papa. Papa. Very good. Come here, Sa, drink water, please. That's Holly. Holly.
Dirty on floor.
Yeah.
I take
Holly, look at Holly.
Mama, I take for me.
How many kilos? You're not eating properly. Please eat. Get down. Come here, Sandra. Come here, Sa, drink water, please. Zachary, drink water, please.
Ask Park for her to go in the port and have a look at the boats. Are they there?
What?
Remember we went last time?
Pa, sa pier da, Papa, may mga barko da dyan sa pier.
Today? No. Not last time.
Where's yours?
Oh, don't touch my gun. It's my
That's for boy, Holly.
Holly Clevises.
Yes. Sa, kuya.
Ah, my foot.